The all-new Hyundai Verna is set to enthrall you with superior performance and deliver a thrilling driving experience like never before. It will be available in 4 trim options and has been packaged to deliver advanced safety, convenience and comfort. The all-new Hyundai Verna comes with a new, sporty and thrilling 1.5 liters turbo GDI petrol engine that is available with 6-speed manual transmission, 6MT, and 7-speed dual-clutch transmission, 7DCT. These powertrains are geared to churn out maximum power and torque performance. It will also be available with 1.5 liters MPI petrol engine that comes with 6-speed manual transmission, 6MT, and intelligent variable transmission, IVT.